Hey guys, Daniel here at CherokeeAutoGroup, showing y'all my 2011 VW Routan. Super nice little ride here. Walk around it here for you, let you see what you're looking at. Stow and go seating, entertainment package, navigation. It is the SE. Michelin tires. Really nice van here. Open it up here for you, let you see inside. Leather seats, all that good stuff. Check this thing out. Just super nice car. 89,000 miles. Dash is in good shape. Got keyless here on the remote here. It'll open up all the doors. Right over there. Power rear deck lid. Like I said, it's got the stow and go in the front here for the front cargo area. So, and what that means is these seats here, these two seats will fold down, into the floor here, okay? And what you got back here is these fold down here. So if you have all this flat, you'll have, all this room here for storage or whatnot. Entertainment system, it's got a TV. Right here. So that's one. And it's got a TV back here. So two TVs, rear air. Interior's in great shape. Leather seats. Like I said, show you this little back here. Look, it's got two TVs. That's super neat. I mean, really is. VW did a fantastic job with this. Pop the hood here for you. What you see underneath. It's a 3.6 liter. Plenty of power, plenty of pickup. Super clean car. I want to crank it up here for you, let you see how it runs. Power seats too as well. Keys in my pocket here. And your DVD player is right here. So when the kiddos are in the back seat going crazy, pop in some old Mickey Mouse Clubhouse or something. Air is very cold as well. Click accept there. Got navigation. Just telling me the doors are open there. No lights are on besides the seatbelt light because my seatbelt's not on here. So yeah, that's her. Wanted to show y'all, see what y'all were looking at, what you could possibly get. Financing is available too as well. If y'all want to give me a call, 770-345-0282. Once again, my name is Daniel Mosley. Thank you so much.